Friends, and welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel Muhammad Ukal Official. And today I'm gonna tell you something about WhatsApp that is important for everyone, as we know that is fast messaging servers that is used in all parts of the world, that is WhatsApp, and how you can save it from the hackers. This two-step verification is the most important step that you need to adopt immediately to secure your WhatsApp from the hackers. So let's tell you something about WhatsApp. First of all, you need to click on three button, that is setting. Then you can see account, first option. After that you can see at third option, two-step verification. You need to click on it, this, and you can see at the last point, enable. Click on it, and there is nobody can hang your WhatsApp, and you can enjoy your WhatsApp without any problem. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.